Good morning children, welcome back to your chemistry class. So today in this surface chemistry chapter we are going to talk about emulsions. So what are emulsions? Emulsion, it is dispersion of one liquid into another liquid which is immiscible. In other words, we can say that the colloidal dispersion of two immiscible liquids in which one liquid it acts like a dispersion medium and the other one it acts like a dispersed phase, then it is called as emulsion, right? As I have written it over here, that emulsion, it is a dispersion of one liquid into another liquid which is immiscible. In short, we can also say that liquid-liquid colloidal dispersions, they are called as emulsions. Now, they are of two types. What are they? First one is the oil dispersed in water, which could be written like this, or second one is the water dispersed in oil, right? Now, how do we classify these types of emulsions? They completely depend upon the nature of the dispersed phase, right? They completely depend upon the nature of the dispersed phase, and hence we classify them into two parts, that is oil dispersed in water or water dispersed in oil. So first let us understand oil dispersed in water. So oil over here will act as a dispersed phase. Over here oil, it acts like a dispersed phase, and your water is your dispersed medium. Okay, so some of the example you can take examples like milk, right? This contains liquid fat globules which are dispersed in water. So this was one such example. Now let us talk about water dispersed in oil, which could be written like this. Right, so water over here acts as a dispersed phase. Over here, water will act as a dispersed phase, and your oil is going to act as a dispersion medium. Clear? So over here, the example you can take like your cod liver oil is one of the examples. So these emulsions, they are prepared by emulsification. What is emulsification? The process of preparing emulsions, that is termed as emulsification. Okay. Now in this process, it involves vigorous mixing of the two liquids at high speed, and this mixing machine, it is used in the presence of an emulsifier, right? The emulsifiers, they stabilize the emulsions by forming a protective film around the oil drops and dispersed in water. So these emulsions, they are the colloidal systems and they exhibit all the properties of the colloidal solution, right? How can we identify these emulsion types? They can be identified. Identification, it can be either by dilution test. Okay, it can be either by the dilution test or maybe by conductivity test, or even by the dye test. So these are the different tests that could be used for identification of the emulsions, right? Now next we are going to talk about the applications of emulsions. Okay, so quickly here, what are the different applications of the emulsions? First one, as I told you, milk, which is an important constituent of our diet, and it is an emulsion of liquid fat in water. Then in the metallurgical processes, the concentration of ore by the froth flotation process, it is completely based upon the treatment of the powdered ore with the oil emulsion. Clear? Then several oily drugs, they are prepared in the form of emulsions. The cleansing action of soap for washing clothes and crockery, this is all completely based upon the formation of your oil in water emulsion. Okay. Then the digestion of fat in the intestine, it also takes place by the process of emulsification. Then asphalt, it is emulsified in water that is used for building the roads without even melting the asphalt. So these were some of the applications of emulsion, and with this we wind up with the chapter. Thank you.